Have you ever asked yourself what truly matters in life? Let's take a journey back to ancient Greece, where Stoicism was born. A philosophy not just of the mind, but of life itself. Stoicism has guided countless souls through the ages, fostering resilience, self-control, and a keen focus on what's genuinely important. It teaches us to strip away the superfluous, to challenge our perceptions, and to embrace what we can control. In the pursuit of wisdom and inner peace, we turn to 7 key Stoic questions. Our first Stoic question asks, "What is within my control?" This question invites us to differentiate between what we can and cannot influence. It's a gentle reminder that our reactions, thoughts, and actions are within our control, while the external world often is not. By acknowledging this, we can alleviate unnecessary stress and invest our energy wisely, leading to a more tranquil existence. Moving on to our second question, am I living in the present? This query encourages mindfulness, an essential Stoic principle. It's easy to get lost in past regrets or future anxieties, but Stoicism teaches us to anchor ourselves in the present moment. By doing so, we can fully experience life and engage with it more meaningfully. Our third Stoic question is, do I understand that everything is transient? This question brings us face to face with the impermanence of life. Understanding that everything changes, that our circumstances, relationships, and even we ourselves are in constant flux, can help us appreciate our experiences and relationships more deeply. It also fosters resilience as we learn to navigate life's inevitable ups and downs with grace and equanimity. By asking ourselves these 3 questions, we learn to focus on the present and accept life's impermanence. Moving forward, our fourth Stoic question is, what does nature require of me? This question invites us to reflect on our place within the grand scheme of existence. It asks us to align with the natural world, to live in harmony with its rhythms and cycles. It's not just about environmental stewardship, though that's part of it. It's also about recognizing our interconnectedness, our mutual dependence with all life on Earth. Next, let's consider the fifth Stoic question. Am I living true to my values? This question calls on us to examine our actions, to ensure they align with our deepest held beliefs and principles. It asks us to live authentically, to walk our talk. It's about integrity, about being the same person on the inside as we are on the outside. These questions remind us that we are part of a larger world and that living according to our values brings fulfillment. Our sixth Stoic question asks, what is the most virtuous response? Virtue, in the context of Stoicism, refers to the qualities of wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. It's about making choices that align with these qualities, even when it's challenging. This question prompts us to consider our actions in different scenarios. When faced with a problem, how can we respond in a way that upholds our values and contributes to the greater good? Consider a situation where a colleague has made a mistake that affects your work. The easy reaction might be frustration or blame, but the most virtuous response? It could be understanding, patience, offering help to rectify the mistake. By choosing this path, we not only foster a positive work environment, but also strengthen our own character. This brings us to our seventh and final Stoic question. What do I want to be remembered for? It might seem morbid, but contemplating our legacy can offer profound insights. This question nudges us to reflect on the kind of life we want to lead, the kind of person we aspire to be. Do we want to be remembered for our kindness, our courage, our wisdom, or perhaps our contributions to a cause we deeply care about? By pondering on this question, we can align our daily actions with our long-term aspirations. It encourages us to live each day purposefully, ensuring that our actions today contribute to the legacy we wish to leave behind. In conclusion, these 7 Stoic questions guide us towards a life of wisdom, resilience, and inner peace. By regularly reflecting on these questions, we can navigate life's challenges with grace and purpose. These questions aren't a one-time reflection, but a continuous journey of introspection. As we evolve, so do our responses, and therein lies the beauty of Stoicism. It grows with us, shaping us into better versions of ourselves each day.